like scouts for you, Dad. Do you remember Girl Scouts? Do you remember Girl Scouts? Do you remember Girl Scouts, Dad? Are you gonna keep going, Dad? Are you gonna keep going? Are you gonna keep going? Is it still there? Look at him. Look at him. Now let's watch as a fat man crosses the river. Fatty! The first time we trespassed, trying to find the first waterfall, which was Fountain Falls. Couldn't find it. Now we're on our way to Marriners Falls, and we're still trespassing because this place is closed due to erosion. But we don't give a fuck. Do you, Cat? No, not.
What do you want from me?
This is
Cushy.
And why have you got Cushy?
Because this is the first waterfall me and Steph have gone to, and this is the first rock I picked up, and its name's Cushy.
Oh my God, it's beautiful! It's so beautiful! Oh my God!
You know.
Dad, I look like you!
Excuse me.
And breathe that in, you asshole! I hate you! I hate you! Why are you angry today?
I woke up in the morning to the fly hit my face.
Oh really? Yeah. Kat, how does it feel being my umbrella girl?
I don't like it.
Why not?
I hate you.
Do you want to move the umbrella so we can see the waterfall, you ugly bitch? You're so stupid, Kat! You're so stupid! We're on a rock! We're on a rock! Oh no! The bridge is out! Whatever shall we do, Kat? That's Kat's way, she's gonna scale it. This is me. Bear grip. Leap of faith! Over to the other side! Yeah! And she made it! She made it! I'm victorious! I'm victorious!
Yeah, and I really need to pee. I'm cold. And my feet hurt.
Nobody cares!
Walking up like an animal, teeth ready for sinking. My mind's lost in bleak visions. I've tried to escape but keep sinking. Limbs lost to a dead weight state. Skull caged like a prison. He's lost faith he'll ever see again. The soulmate he once thought of me then. Underneath his skin there's a human. Buried deep within there's a human. And despite everything I'm still human. I think I'm dying here. Walking up like an animal. I'm unready for healing. My mind's lost with no